Jesse knew he was part Argentinian, but when his dad was diagnosed with early onset Alzheimer's, he wanted to find out more about the history of his family. Now he's discovered he has roots in Ireland, and he's cooking a meal called Irish Stout Glazed lamb loin with Colcannon and chimichurri. That combines the best of Argentinian and Irish cuisines. There he is. What's going on, Jesse?
I'm so excited. Let's do this.
Right? Now, I know you love to cook, so I need you to use some of those Argentinian kitchen skills, and you're gonna mix it with the Irish cuisine, and it's gonna be a recipe that is 100% you.
Let's do it.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Now, you've got your DNA Dinners kitchen crew standing by, ready to help.
Yeah.
All you need now is your recipe, and we can get this going.
Okay.
All right, let me know if you need anything.
Okay, cool.
Lamb's important to Ireland, but they also love to grill it in Argentina. And Jesse's searing lamb and then going to lay it on a bed of Irish Colcannon that's been hit with the flavor of corn, an Argentinian staple. And to top it all off, chimichurri sauce. It's everywhere in Argentina, but Jesse's giving it an Irish twist by adding malt vinegar. Then he's making a glaze that combines Irish stout with sweet Argentinian cane sugar.
For the chimichurri, we gotta place parsley, rosemary, sage, garlic cloves, and olive oil in a food processor. This looks really good. I'm excited. Now we're gonna get the lamb done. Hey, what's up?
Guess what?
Just gotta melt this butter into the sauce.
Okay, well, you keep doing that. I don't want to interrupt, but your family's here.
They're here.
Yes.
Already, okay.
And they're excited to know what you've been cooking up in the kitchen, and they're hungry. Okay. So, how much longer?
I should be done soon, but they can wait.
They can wait.
They can wait.
All right, it's time.
I know. Getting nervous now. To dinner, my parents are coming, so my mom and dad, and my two sisters, Lorena and Andrea. And they're gonna be super excited and nervous too. I bet they'll be nervous to find out exactly what our heritage is.
Hey,
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you guys?
Good, good. Good to see you.
Welcome to the DNA Dinners table.
Thank you.
Kind of been waiting all day to say this because Jesse had a great day. He's been working hard in the kitchen on a dish that combines Argentinian flavors and flavors from
the new one.
the new one. Mom knows what's up. Mom knows what's up.
Cheers.
Close the toast.
Cheers.
I'm really excited for you guys to finally know what our ancestry is. I've been slaving away in the kitchen all day preparing this for you guys, so I hope you like it. 3, 2, 1.
I think that's chimmy. That's for sure chimichurri.
For sure.
Remember, taste, think, look at the techniques.
Yes.
Any cultures coming to your heads?
Could be Greek.
Polish?
No?
Lebanese? Maybe?
It's time for us to guess. What are you tasting?
I could be Greek.
I'm gonna say Macedonian to be different.
So out of nowhere, but okay.
Papa, are you gonna guess?
He's
too busy eating. Oh my God, he's like full.
It's like, oh, no.
Are you guys finally ready to find out?
Oh my goodness, I'm like, oh my gosh.
Yes.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
We are Irish.
What? What? No way. No way. What? What? No.
I told you guys would be shocked.
How can that be?
St. Patrick's Day now has like a whole new meaning.
That's what I've been thinking.
Let's party now. Like, cheers to St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Cheers. Slasha. Slasha. Slasha.